Hi, and welcome to another fit-for-purpose product presentation. In this segment, we'll be talking about Vauth Sagel corner storage solutions. This revolving unit is designed for corner cabinets with either two opening doors or a two-panelled hinge door. In terms of how it works, it's a bit like a 1970s Lazy Susan brought up to date for the 21st century. This is the COR Wheel Pro from Vauth Sagel, and it has a really clever design feature. Unlike many such units, the Vauth Sagel model has no centre spindle. That has two big benefits. Firstly, it looks much better. And secondly, it gives you up to 25% more storage space, as you don't have to worry about positioning things around that centre pole. Makes it ideal for larger pots and bowls, etc. The COR Wheel Pro comes in two sizes, for an 800mm and a 900mm corner cabinet. It's available in two styles. Planero, as you can see here, has baskets that are made from powder-coated steel. And there's also the classic Premier style, which is a white solid base with chrome style rails. The standard units have two trays, which work independently of each other. So you just turn the one you want to. These trays are height adjustable, so you can set the unit up to suit your own needs. And you can adjust those heights after the unit's been installed. Brilliant. There's also a one-shelf model, very useful for installing under corner sinks, or if you want one fixed shelf and one revolving. The COR Wheel Pro has a very good load capacity of 28 kgs per shelf. Most comparable units are considerably less than this. Another nice bonus with this unit, it's pretty easy to retrofit, and you don't need to remove the bench top to do so.